Cool, welcome back guys, just doing a quick radiator bleed and then we're heading down to the Margate Meltdown. Check out this awesome bleed kit I've got here. I've had it absolutely years and my god, I really recommend it.
Nice!
All the parts you need in here, look, different adapters, different radiator caps, pretty much everything that you're going to need for the job. Highly recommended. This thing is only about 20 quid on Amazon. Yeah, universal kit really. Absolutely recommended. Okay guys, so she's running absolutely sweet now, so we're going to head over, grab the boys, and we're heading to the Margate Meltdown. There's going to be absolutely thousands of bikes there, so it should be absolutely awesome. Let's roll! So here we are with the boys, got my Ducati 821 SP, absolutely beauty behind that, Josh's Phaser 1000, and his little brother over here, Connor, on his Phaser 600. I tell you what, if you don't own a bike already, go bloody get one. There's no better feeling than riding out with the boys. The sun shining, look at that absolute flat sea. Buzzing, let's go. Nice, we just bumped into some more guys while eating breakfast, so let's roll out. Adam that's joined us on his new MT-09, he's bringing that with us to Spain next month, so make sure you subscribe, don't miss out, because a few of us boys are heading through the mountains of Andorra, Spain and France. Yeah, how are? Oh, Jesus Christ, so many people. Oh my lord. Move, coming through, coming through. The big man here, what are you filming me? Yeah. Come on, move it, move it. Get out of my way. Oh my lord, there are so many people here. This is crazy. This is an awesome turnout. So many bikes. Everyone's like, oh yeah, look at that Ducati, man. Yeah. Beep beep.